which two components usually interface directly with the Southbridge chipset on our motherboard? Well, motherboards have a single chipset, and inside of that chipset, you have your Northbridge and you have your Southbridge. How I like to remember what goes with what category is Southbridge means small, SS, right? So small stuff. What are small stuff? Well, first let's talk about what the big stuff are. Stuff that is not going to be a possible answer. So from our CPU, we have the Northbridge. Northbridge, we are going to have things like our video card. We're going to have things like our main RAM, like the DDR4, DDR3, DDR5 stuff. So video card, RAM, and that's handled by our Northbridge. Now for the Southbridge, what else we got? Well, Southbridge, smaller stuff, remember, we can look at what we have here. USB ports, yes, it would handle USB ports. Smaller data transfers like for your keyboard, mice, that stuff. Video card, remember, is Northbridge, RAM is Northbridge, hard drive, smaller stuff, not mandatory for the computer to function, that is going to be Southbridge as well. PCIe slots, it's kind of what your video cards plug into. Those are the slots in your motherboard. That's going to be handled by the Northbridge as well. So USB ports and hard drives are the two options in this question that usually interface directly with the Southbridge chipset on your motherboard. The rest are for the Northbridge.